Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's deeply personal for me and something I know many of you struggle with: detachment. It's about finding that delicate balance between caring deeply and clinging so tightly that it creates anxiety and suffering. Detachment isn't about building walls or becoming indifferent. It's about finding a sense of inner peace and security that doesn't depend on external factors. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first step in this journey towards detachment is acknowledging your emotions. Don't try to suppress them or pretend they don't exist. Instead, allow yourself to feel them fully. What are the fears, insecurities, or anxieties that are driving your need to control? When those emotions surface, greet them with curiosity rather than judgment. Emotions are temporary visitors. They come, stay for a while, and then move on. By acknowledging them without judgment, you create space for healing and growth. Now that you're becoming more aware of your emotions, let's talk about how to navigate them with mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being present in this moment, without dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. One powerful way to practice mindfulness is through meditation. Even just 5 or 10 minutes a day can make a world of difference. As thoughts come and go, simply acknowledge them and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Over time, this practice will help you develop a sense of inner peace and stability, even amidst life's challenges. Detachment isn't just about our inner world. It's also about setting healthy boundaries in our relationships. Boundaries are like fences that protect your emotional well-being. They help you define what you're willing to tolerate and what you're not. Think about the relationships in your life that leave you feeling drained, anxious, or disrespected. What boundaries can you set to protect your energy and peace of mind? Remember, setting boundaries is not selfish. It's a way of honoring your own needs and well-being. It's about communicating clearly and respectfully what you will and will not accept in your life. One of the most powerful ways to cultivate detachment is through self-care. When you prioritize your own well-being, you build a strong foundation of self-love and security. Think about the things that bring you joy and nourish your soul. It could be as simple as taking a walk in nature, reading a good book, or spending time with loved ones. Make time for these activities, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. When you invest in yourself, you're better equipped to handle life's challenges and navigate relationships from a place of strength and resilience. Letting go of control is essential for mastering detachment. We can't control everything, no matter how hard we try. We can't control the weather, traffic, or others' actions, but we can control our reactions. Approach uncertainties with acceptance, not resistance. As you embark on this journey of detachment, it's essential to have a supportive network of friends and family by your side. These are the people who uplift you, encourage you, and remind you of your worth. Connect with people who understand your journey and can offer a listening ear or a shoulder to lean on. Share your struggles and triumphs with them, knowing that you don't have to go through this alone. By opening up to others, you create space for deeper connections and allow yourself to receive the love and support you deserve. Remember what we talked about earlier, about finding things that nourish your soul? That's where hobbies come in. Engaging in activities you're passionate about cultivates detachment and joy. Think about what lights you up. It could be painting, writing, playing music, gardening, or anything else fulfilling. Immersed in what you love, worries fade away. It's a powerful antidote to anxiety and a way to cultivate detachment. Reflect on your thoughts and progress. Journaling is a powerful tool for self-discovery. Write down your thoughts and feelings daily. What challenges are you facing? What victories have you experienced? What are you grateful for? Gain clarity and track your growth over time. Don't worry about writing perfectly. Your journal is a safe space for honesty. If you're struggling to manage your anxiety or find it difficult to cultivate detachment on your own, it's okay to seek professional help. A therapist can provide you with the tools and support you need. They offer a safe space to explore your emotions and develop healthy coping mechanisms. Seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Reach out for guidance if you need additional support. Finally, as you navigate this journey of detachment, remember to celebrate your progress along the way. Change takes time, and it's important to acknowledge and appreciate how far you've come. Take time to reflect on the small victories, the moments when you were able to let go of control, set a healthy boundary, or practice mindfulness in a challenging situation. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a reason to celebrate. Remember, you're on a journey of self-discovery and growth. Be patient with yourself, embrace the process, and never stop learning and evolving. Mastering detachment is a lifelong practice, but it's a journey worth taking. It's about finding inner peace and security that doesn't depend on external factors. You'll feel lighter, freer, and more empowered. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. Start today and embrace the power of detachment.